Well, I'm in the hospital since Monday. I went for a colonoscopy. My oxygen was low, so then I went to one hospital. Now I'm at the second hospital where I'm getting better care. I'm seeing all these doctors. Nobody knows what's wrong with me yet. I'm on oxygen, which helps, but when I get up to walk, it goes down to like in the 80s, low 80s, and I start getting dizzy, hyperventilating, nauseous, headache. So I don't know. They see something on my lungs, so hopefully they can give me antibiotics or something. I do have a history of lung problems in my family. My aunt had COPD, but she also had congestive heart failure. I think my heart is okay. So now I guess I'm seeing, they did a lipid panel on respiratory. Supposed to be seeing respiratory, ear, nose, and throat, heart. So they're kind of putting me through the ringer. But I'm long overdue for that. I don't think I've had any complete workup for at least 10 years. But I'll keep you up to date. Thanks for watching. Bye.